In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to iPhone Minecraft. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up and connect your DualSense controller to your iPhone and use it to play Minecraft. So first, you will be able to connect your DualSense controller to your iPhone through Bluetooth. To my knowledge, you will not be able to do this through a wired connection. You can try, but most users report that the PlayStation 5 controller does not get picked up and none of the inputs work through a wired connection. So if you want to ensure that this works, use Bluetooth. So enable Bluetooth on any iPhone model that you have, and once this is done, you will be able to put the DualSense into pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button for a few seconds simultaneously. Eventually, the light bar will start blinking. When you see the light bar start blinking, you can stop holding these two buttons, and now you will be able to find the DualSense controller under the list of available devices on the Bluetooth settings. As long as Bluetooth is enabled, you will be able to choose the DualSense controller under the list, and now it is going to remain connected, so the light bar will stop blinking and remain stable. With this done, you can go inside of Minecraft, and you will be able to play using your PlayStation 5 controller. All of the buttons will be adjusted, and you will be able to go into a single player world, multiplayer world, or whatever you want to play. As long as you connect it over Bluetooth, you will be able to use it natively on Minecraft or any other game that supports it. So something like Roblox, you can try to go into GeForce Now, and so on. If this doesn't work, I recommend restarting your phone and powering Bluetooth off and on again, and then restarting the whole connection process. So press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously for a few seconds and try to establish this connection again. Once it is established once, it is going to remain stable as long as the controller is sufficiently charged. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to iPhone Minecraft. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.